Guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can take multiple snaps on your Snapchat. So let's jump into the video. What you need to do: first you have to open up your Snapchat app, then you have to click on this icon here. Please guys, make sure you watch the full video and follow every step that I'm going to show you. Then you have to click on this icon here and click on multi snap. So after you click on this, the multi snap option will turn on. Then you can capture a multiple times on your Snapchat. So after doing so, you have to click on this. As you can see, the multi snap is on, and you have to click on OK, like this. Okay, you can take as many shot as you want. So this is how you can take multiple snaps on your Snapchat. I hope you find this video helpful, guys. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.